Hey you guys, this is Eva and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this beautiful, soft, sexy look for the New Year's Eve. I am so excited because this is very simple, very quick to get. And here I am showing you my bare face. Well, it's not going to be this bare. I'm going to go all glam today. So yeah, let's just go. And I know I'm just being very weird out here, but just come with me. Let's go. This could be something. Starting off with color correction, I'm using the LA Girl orange color corrector and I'm going to cover my under eye, which is very dark. Just going to put it all over my under eye, on my lid, on my nose where I have few pimple marks, and of course my mouth area, which is quite dark compared to my face. So I'm just going to cover that with a good amount of orange corrector. Once that's done, I'm going to use this flat brush and just going to blend it all out really well. I'm just going to go in and apply a little more of the color corrector on my mouth area where I feel it was very less compared to the other parts of my face. And again, I'm going to blend it all in. Well, now coming to this point, I do feel it's a little bit more. So I'm going to take the beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it all in. The blender is going to pick all the excess product which is on my face. So I'm going to use that. Then taking the Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Desert Beige, which I am absolutely obsessed with. I'm going to take some of the foundation, just apply it on my face. Now since it's New Year's Eve, you would want to go generously. This foundation is buildable, so you can definitely apply a little bit more of it. Now don't forget to cover your ears and your neck. Now in this video I did not do that since I was filming late at night and I was just going to go and wash my face, so that's the reason I did not apply. But please don't forget to apply foundation on your neck because then it will look very off and very uneven. And as you see, I'm using the beauty blender, so I'm just going to blend all of that very well. Taking some more of the foundation, I'm going to apply it on my under eye. Wherever I feel the redness is visible, the color corrector is visible, I'm just going to cover all of that. Taking this Kryolan powder in the shade TL4, which is sort of a banana powder, I am going to bake my under eye. The remaining powder, which is on the beauty blender, I'm just going to spread it all across my face. Now once that's done, I'm going to take this Morphe palette, and I'm so sorry I've forgotten the number, but I'll put it in the description down below, and taking this a beautiful brown transition shade and I'm going to apply it on my crease. Now taking the Makeup Revolution Pretty Incredible palette and using this chocolate shade which has a bit of red undertone in it, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. Well, again taking the blending brush, make sure that there is no harsh lines visible. Blending is the key, guys. Make sure that you're blending every bit of your makeup very well. And we're done with my eye makeup, so I'm just going to dust off this excess powder and I'm going to use this powder brush. Well, I'm behaving like a ninja, but I'm going to use this and I'm going all cray now. But I'm going to dust off all the excess powder and I'm just going to blend all of that really well. I don't want any harsh line to be visible, as I said. Then going ahead with my eyebrows, I'm using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade Black 01, and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows and not going to do anything else. I don't want to make it look fatter, thinner, nothing doing, just filling. Once that's done, I'm going to use the spoolie on the other side and just going to brush it through. And we're done with this side of the eyebrow, so we're just going to fix the other one as well. Oh damn, it's done. I wish it was so quick every single day. Now for contour, I'm going to use this matte bronze by MAC and I'm just going to go and contour in all the areas that I would want a good shadow and definition. Well, if you want an in-depth tutorial on how to contour and why you should contour and get all the information, I'm going to leave it on the card above so you can check that out. And yeah, you will also go see me grow crazy in 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah, I'm the same. Oh god. Honestly speaking, when I was filming this at night, I was playing some good music and I was tripping on it. So that's why I'm super energetic, very high on energy and very crazy. Next, we're going to take this MAC blush in the shade Desert Rose, and I love how beautiful and how soft pink this is. Oh my god, I think this is one of my favorite powder blush that I own, but I'm gonna go and apply it on the apples of my cheek. Also, again, if you need an in-depth tutorial on how to do your blush, I'm gonna leave it on the card above. Then taking the Makeup Revolution palette again, and I'm using the same brown shade, and I'm just going to smoke my lower lash line. Make sure you don't take too much of it because you just want to make it look smoky and sexy. Then I'm going ahead and curling my lashes with this Miniso eyelash curler, which I am loving of late. And for mascara, I'm using the Rimmel London 100% waterproof mascara in the color black, and I'm going to coat my lashes with it. Well, if you feel like you need eyeliner as well, please go ahead and do that. You can tweak this look the way you want. For highlighter, I'm using the Makeup Revolution palette and using both these highlighters, which is called Out of This World and You Are Unstoppable. Well, that is exactly what I was feeling on that day because I was super high on energy and super duper crazy. But anyways, I'm going to apply it on my high points of my face, and you see I'm going very generous. I'm going to use the same highlighter for my inner corner as well, but here's the game changer. I'm going to push this highlighter a little bit upwards. Now, we always put a little bit on our inner corner, but I'm going to push this color upward, and that's going to make your eyes pop really well. For lips, I'm using the Lakme 925 Rose Touch shade, and it's a beautiful matte shade. And don't forget to spritz your face with some setting spray. Well, that's it. I hope you like this video, and I hope this was very easy and very simple to understand. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below, and I will see you soon. Also, here is my last video and some more that you can watch and enjoy. Bye bye.